Let's discuss engravings. By default, NetBlock 3D names engravings based on the cavity type, with a number based on order of insertion. For a custom engraving, a user can type in a custom component ID when selecting a cavity and insert the cavity. Now let's move the engravings, both with respect to one another and independently. Let's use the navigation cube to toggle to the front face for a more direct work view. To align engravings, I'm going to select one engraving, pull it close enough to another engraving to show the default trace line, and then drop it into place. I will do the same thing for a second engraving. I can also select and freely move an engraving, which can be helpful when dealing with a more complicated block. If I already have a specific location in mind for the engraving, I can select it and key in its X and Y coordinates in the Engraving Properties pane. From here, I can also rotate the engraving if need be.